Bob Fowler here from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm standing on the back hydraulic platform of a 2008 55 Sea Ray Sundancer. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Just took it in on trade, and my owner custom ordered this boat with all the custom options on it. There's no way I can do a 3-minute deal on this boat, so I'm going to do another one later on. But I want to talk about the very best product that we offer here at MarineMax. First of all, we feel that we're the best company, and MarineMax is celebrating our 20th year today. How about that? And the 20th year of the only boat dealer being on the New York Stock Exchange. We have over 70 locations nationwide, and we're here to support and to help you and to be united in water and on the water to enjoy your boats and all the recreational events. And then number two, we have the best dealership with MarineMax. Of course we do. And we're right here, as you can see, one of the most beautiful settings in the world as far as we're concerned. Some of the best fishing, some of the best boating. I'm 5 minutes from the Gulf, right down the lagoon here, and it's just a beautiful place to come. If you've never come visit our dealership and allow one of us to walk you around and show you this beautiful, beautiful marina. Again, we've got the best marina, and service partner, Treasure Island Marina is our service partner and the owner of this great, great marina. And it's over 23 acres, beautiful, right here on the water in Panama City Beach, Florida. You can't beat it. Inside storage, outside storage, wet slips, service, fiberglass shop, store. I could go on and on and on and tell you about that. But then I want to tell you the best product that we have to offer you here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, and that's the sales staff and management. I want to say that I believe we've got one of the best sales teams in the country, and I believe we complement everything that MarineMax offers. We've got seminars. I started those over 15 years ago, free fishing seminars. Wow, women on the water classes, U.S. Coast Guard auxiliary safe boating classes. We do these things every month, and we have getaways. We have all kinds of things going on because we're committed to you to have the most fun, the most recreation, the most pleasure on your boat and on the water right here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And so come see the best. We'd love to see you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.